In mining, performance is everything. With over 90 years of operating one of the world's largest mining fleets, we know the challenges firsthand. That's why we're proud to introduce Thiess Asset Services as a standalone service for our clients. Our footprint spans 8 countries and more than 50 projects, meaning we bring operational know-how with a flexible, client-first mindset. Whether it's on-site maintenance services in Australia, rebuilds in Indonesia, or anything in between, we've done the hard yards to deliver the lowest total cost of ownership, no matter where you operate. Our whole-of-life asset solutions are backed by data and driven by experience to deliver high availability and efficiency, reduce downtime, and increased productivity. Our solutions include preventative maintenance, machine and component rebuilds, fleet management, equipment hire, and energy transition services. Our life extension services, including composite carbon fiber repairs, extend the life of your fleet, boost durability, help lower costs, and keep you operating for longer. All while our network of rebuild centers, like our center in Batam, Indonesia, breathe new life into machines, extending asset life by 60,000 hours or more. Need to prepare your fleet for a net zero future? We can help future-proof your fleet with low-emission, value-driven options. Thiess Asset Services utilizes a parts exchange service model, restoring each component to meet Thiess stringent standards and tolerances, and offering proven alternatives to extend machine life and reliability. From startup to shutdown, Thiess is your one-stop shop for extending asset life and minimizing downtime, delivering what matters most, the lowest total cost of ownership. Get in touch to learn more.